Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Lightning to HDMI adapter. So you can use this HDMI cable for your iPhone to smart TV, compatible with the iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 series, and more. You could use this for YouTube with a 1080p HD display. This will sync your video and sound, just plug and play. They have two different lengths for the cable, 6.6 feet or 13.2 feet. There are certain restrictions that will work with the YouTube, Reddit, Facebook, Office, Twitter, Chrome, Safari, FaceTime, and it will not support the following: Netflix, iTunes, DirecTV, Xfinity, Amazon Prime, Sky Go, BT Sport, and Hulu. So with this simple, easy to use, plug and play, you don't need to trust authority, connect it to power, go to setting, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. So you could use this for conference, family TV to enjoy family time, or FaceTime to communicate with your friends and family, and then play games on TV. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I'd like to give a shout out to Oriana from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and then show you guys the item. So this one is the 6.6 feet. And it is made in China. Nice. I like this braided cable, so it doesn't frail or rip. So this is the HDMI that goes to your smart TV. And this is the Lightning. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so this is my Hisense 75-inch smart TV. I'm going to plug this in to one of the HDMI port. So I'm going to plug this into the bottom port. And now I'm going to plug in the iPhone. Turn on the TV. Right now it's on HDMI 1. I'm on HDMI 3. So get your TV remote, select the input. There you go. It mirrors everything on your phone. customer stating that it's leaking from the bottom here. So we're going to test it out. He said it might be the wax ring. So sometimes it gets between here. There's a rubber O-ring there between the tank. Well, there you have it. Anyway, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always. Peace.